Why is Kajabi good for SEO ranking? In this video, you're about to discover the biggest frustration about generating organic traffic, 2 advantages provided by Kajabi's web page building functionality, and 1 integration Kajabi gives users that is often overlooked by businesses. And be sure to watch until the end of this video, because in a moment, I will answer the question, what is Kajabi website features? I'm Dex Williams, and I've helped others market and sell their knowledge online since 2007 using a variety of platforms and services. In 2015, I became a founding member of Kajabi because I saw the potential and the growth that was planned for its future, and I was absolutely thrilled. Now, one thing that I have noticed in my time of helping others to build and grow their businesses is that it can be difficult to drive organic traffic to a website. See, organic traffic is the most desirable form of traffic, but it can be a nightmare for many site owners due to the dual factors involved, basically off-page and on-page optimization. So why is Kajabi good for SEO ranking? Well, as it relates to the on-page factors, they provide fast loading pages by default. No struggling to optimize or tweak a bunch of techie things. It is lightning fast right off the hop. And the search engines love that because that is key for the browser experience, the visitor experience, which that is who they are appealing to. Next up, they make sure that their pages allow mobile optimization. You can actually see while building your site how it looks on different devices. Once again, Google and the other search engines love sites that are responsive to mobile and smaller devices because, again, that provides a pleasant experience for people searching for results. And finally, one of the biggest things that Kajabi provides that is amazing for SEO ranking is native blog integration. See, having your blog on your domain in a subfolder is immensely more beneficial than having it on a subdomain or even on a completely different platform altogether. That doesn't help your SEO ranking, whereas Kajabi's method actually boosts your SEO ranking for your entire site because your blog is a natural extension of it, not a add-on through a plugin, etc. So this means the answer to what is Kajabi website features is you get everything you need to get found quickly and easily in Google. So you can focus on turning more leads into customers at no additional cost. That is huge. So I'm curious, which Kajabi SEO benefit is most helpful to you? Comment below, let me know. I'm really curious. And if you want more videos featuring Kajabi updates and strategies, make sure to click that like button, push that subscribe button, and ring that bell so that you get notified about my future videos. And be sure to watch this next video to take your Kajabi knowledge even further. I'll talk to you soon.